Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you for dropping by. Thank you for visiting Infinite Possibilities, where I try to inspire and spread love and joy. In today's video, I would like to show smiles that I would do or take wearing braces. I hope you have fun. So let's dive into it. This is the smile without showing the teeth. So it's very like shy. When you're in the picture, you're just literally like putting your lips in front on top of the braces, and then your teeth are like that, and then you're kind of like, and then you try to smile, like you just smile with your eyes. Ew, you can see that. That's a better angle, but I don't like that side of my face. Still, you can still see. Or you can do this. That. Oh, that is an ugly face. I just smile with my eyes. And I have wrinkles here. Why can't I just smile like this? It's so ugly. Maybe I should just smile like this. Yeah, it's hard to smile when you have braces. That's not a smile. It's easy to do this though. The lips look so full. Confidence to smile like this. You see all of the inside and the extraction. Ew, that's like scary. I can put a paper there. Smile like this. And like turn my head so the extraction doesn't show. Well, there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoy. If you can share with me ideas on how you smile or experience on how you smile while having the braces, let me know. Thank you for watching. Click the subscribe, like, and notification bell buttons before you go. Watch the next video. Bye!